Welcome back to my channel. Today we have the box by Fashionsta. This is my second box by them and I really do enjoy it. Well, at least the first one I did. I don't know about this one yet. So this is the box for December. It comes at the end of December, so I will always be reviewing the previous month's box on the following month. Or does that make sense? I don't know. But anyways, because it's also just one box, I'm only going to try it out for 3 days, and at the end of the video I am going to come back and give you a review of all the products that I used. And I do try to use as many of the products that I can. Usually I do use everything that I'm sent, but sometimes it doesn't always happen. Anyways, let's go ahead and get into the box. Okay, so the first thing we pull out is this New Year 2020 20% off code card. And on the back, of course, it has the items listed as well as the price and a brief description. Now, the one thing I do appreciate about this box is they don't really try to do the theme so much as, you know, as much as just try to make everything go together, which I really do appreciate, because I don't really necessarily understand all the themes that they do with these boxes, and all I really ask for is that they all are cohesive together. I can use the products that you send me together. That's all I really ask for. The first item out is the Fresh Balms CBD Bath Bomb. Wash away the stress of the day in pools of refreshing eucalyptus and mint. The graceful combination of Epsom salt and coconut oil dances away aches and dry skin. Meanwhile, wintergreen and peppermint oil quiet your stress. Use one bath bomb in a tub of warm water to soothe your body's stresses. Okay, I am not, I don't know if I'm going to use this, to be quite honest. And it's not that I don't like products like that, it's just I normally take showers, not baths. So we will see. I might use it, but I'm not making promises. I'll just put it that way. Next we have Naturally Vain Rosy Cheeks Facial Scrub. This exfoliating facial cleanser with rose petal gently exfoliates and eliminates dead skin cells. The rose hip seed oil and yangling essential oils are known for their anti-aging properties. This beautiful creamy textured leaves leaves skin soft and clear and more radiant than ever. Alright, it says how to use. Apply a small amount to the face and gently wash, remove with water and dry. So again, that is what it looks like. I got the lid off and see it is very creamy. Look at that. And it does smell like roses, and it smells really good. So yeah, definitely will be giving that a try, and so far very excited about this. Next up we have Teame Soothe Facial Oil. Soothe Facial Oil is infused with lavender, sage, and blue tansy oil to provide deep calming sensation to the skin. Oils are a pure form of moisturizer that seamlessly absorbs into the deeper layers of your skin, leaving it soft, nourished, and glowing. Perfect for all skin types, made with 100% pure plant extracts and natural mineral ingredients. You will not find any harmful filters, preservatives, or chemical added. Teame uniquely formulated this gorgeous blue potion oil to aid in protecting and rejuvenating your skin. Use the dropper to apply 3 to 4 drops in the palm of your hand or directly onto your skin. Rub the oil together to warm it up and apply to your skin in circular motion. Use oil in the morning before you put on makeup or before bed. This oil absorbs into the skin and leaves it protected all day long. And you know, packaging was nice, simple. Liked the packaging, but like I just really like this. Look at that. You can see You can see the herbs and stuff in there floating around. I kind of like that. Kind of nice, fun touch. But anyways, I want to smell this. I like to smell everything that I put on my skin. Okay, I'm not so sure about the smell. It smells alright. I don't know. I have mixed feelings about the smell. I guess it's just one of those things. I'll let you know how I feel about it in a few days. Next we have Crescent Moon Eyeshadow Quad. Crescent Moon palette, rich duochrome shades, heavily pigmented diamond and shimmer shadows. Shades included are Calypso, New Moon, Zenith, and Ophelia. Okay, these are super gorgeous, and just full disclosure here, this one right here is just glitter and it will fall out if you tip it over or drop it, so be careful with that. But like these colors, they are duochrome. Like I don't think it picks up on camera quite right. But this is the Ophelia glitter one, and that's gorgeous. But these are duochrome. Again, it's not showing up on camera, but like they're really, really pretty. They kind of remind me of a friend of mine who was really into those duochromes. So yeah, I think this is gorgeous and I'm excited to be wearing these. Next we have a 1520 sheet face mask. 1520 is all about an effective and reliable skincare and beauty regimen that seamlessly fits into your routine. They are dedicated to providing customers with high quality products and unparalleled results. Their customers have fallen in love with their glow and radiance. Thanks to 1520, enjoy this face sheet mask from their essential routine, which includes all natural dried biocellulose. It is the softest material and 4 times stronger than plant cellulose and retains 200 times its dry weight in water, staying moist throughout the entire process. Oh, okay. I don't have feelings about that. Hyaluronic acid, collagen is in this. Seawater, I don't know about the seawater, but that is what it looks like. I love my sheet mask, so I'm sure I will love this. And yeah, there's only one of these, so I mean, it's gonna fit into a 3-day test. Plain and simple. 1 sheet mask, 3 days. I'm pretty sure I can do that. Last item in the box is Kara Beauty Glow Glitter Highlighter Palette. Are you a go-getter for a better glow? These 6 shades will have you shining from across the room. These highlighters are meant to serve looks. These shades are precisely picked. You can start from any shade and add on to it from the Super Glow You Glow Girl. Okay, so this is from Kara Beauty. They sent us a eyeshadow palette by them last month, and I'm not really mad about it because I was really impressed on how well the eyeshadows did, and this is a pretty affordable line. Whereas like that quad I just showed you, that 4 shades was $45 palette right there. This here is $15. And the palette that they sent last time was pretty affordable too, so I'm not really mad about it. And these, those are pretty good sized pans. This is a nice color range for highlight. Again, I'm so fair that some of these probably work more as a bronzer, and I could probably use them as eyeshadows. But honestly, I swatched them, and I think I could work with all of them. And these do have high shine, so probably not super natural looking, but you will have a nice shine, nice highlight. So I'm excited to try these out, and I will be back in 3 days to give you a full review of all the products in this box. Alright, it has been 3 days and I am back inside the forest in my house, as you can see, and I have tried out all the products in the box for 3 days. and we're going to discuss them. Actually, I lied. There's one product I didn't try, and that was the bath bomb, and I told you I wasn't sure if I was actually going to use that in 3 days, and I have not. Still may use it, just I don't know when. So I'm not going to count this in the review because I did not try it, but I have it. Alright, so let's talk about the products I did use, and there were 5 products that I did use because the box had 6. The first was the Hydrating Good Vibes Only Sheet Mask by 1520, and you can even see I ripped it open there. This is really nice, really loved it. You know, that's pretty much all I can say. It wasn't as moist, I guess is the word that I thought I was going to feel. It was very hydrating, definitely felt the collagen and all that, and did wonders. Things in the ocean usually don't do so well on my skin, and it does have seawater in it, so I did feel it kind of tingle at first, and I know that's because in general things from the sea do not agree with my body. But other than that, I really do enjoy this. Next item was this facial scrub exfoliant right here by Rosy Cheeks, and I loved it. Used it quite a bit actually. I found myself using it more than I probably should because I really like it. This label does not want to stay on. I kept pressing it on just so I could show you guys it's still the same thing, but it like pops off. So I'm just gonna take it off now. But it smells really good. It's very creamy. It's almost like, I can't describe the texture, but it's definitely, let me scoop it up so I can show you. See that? That is the texture. It is definitely like a cream paste there, and it definitely smells like roses. Definitely enjoy it. And that's pretty much it on that. This is something I definitely love and will probably use till it's gone. And it's not very expensive either. This is $12, so this might be something I get again because it's just really nice. Next item is this Soothe Facial Oil by Teame. And I just really like the packaging, the stuff inside of it. I don't know if you can see it, but it is definitely a greenish blue color. Can't really see it in the background. Anyway, it is a greenish blue color, almost a dark teal or dark turquoise color. I was unsure of the smell, but after using it a couple days, I did decide that I like it. But it definitely has a tea smell. So if you're gonna use it, know that your facial oil is gonna smell like tea. This is, you know, this is a $40 face oil, but some of the ones that I have gotten in other boxes are way more expensive. So comparatively, I do think this is a good price. Another nice thing they have going on here is they have the expiration date at the bottom, so it's clear, because sometimes it's not. And yeah, so I do like that. Next thing we have is the Crescent Moon palette, and that's what this was. This was the duochrome. Yeah, that's what I'm looking for. Duochrome eye colors. And that was what they look like on the inside. And you can see the glitter. This one's more of a glitter. I do have that on in the center there, so it is very shimmery. I was trying to do something different with my eyeshadow today, and I ended up doing pretty much the same thing I always do. You know, whatever. But I do like all these colors. They are all very shimmery and pretty, and they have almost a wet look because of the duochrome, and I really do enjoy it, so no complaints about this either. And the last item here is the Cara Beauty Glow Getter highlight palette, and I have used them all out, and I went a little crazy and have just about every highlight on me today. I don't know if you can see it on camera. Why? I don't know. I just, you know, I wasn't going anywhere today, and I felt why not? Anyway, but none of them are that dark on my skin. They all work, and I was very pleased and happy with that. This one, these two are still a little dark, so like if I use them, I still have to lighten them up, and I'll show you how dark they are on my skin, because it's still kind of dark. Like, I have to be careful. I have to put those two shades on very, very lightly because I am so fair. But other than that, I did really enjoy this palette. So for the 5 items that I did try, which 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, there we go. For the 5 items I did try, it is a solid 5 out of 5. So I definitely think this box was better for me than the one that I received last month, and I am super excited to see what they're going to send me next, because so far I am really enjoying this box. The brands are a little bit different than what I'm getting in other beauty boxes, and I really like that. I like the fact that this is different. Other than that, that is it. Let me know what your favorite product is. And if you like this video, don't forget to like it and subscribe, and I hope to see you in the next video.